Everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought for class 10th 7th chapter The Glimpses of India and the first part Baker from Goa from First Flight book. So let's start. This is about the author Lucio Rodriguez, who was a great Konkani essayist and born in 1916 and died in 1973. He wrote several articles in English and Konkani to various periodicals and magazines. He served as a visiting professor of folklore at many universities and also as a professor of English in Mumbai and Goa. His essays were posthumously published under the title of Soil and Soul and Konkani folk tales. Subtle humor and informal narration are the essential features of his writings. Now we will see the introduction of the chapter. A baker from Goa revolves around the relevance of a baker in the Goan culture, which dates back to the time when Portuguese ruled over the city of Goa. The Portuguese may have left, but the bread makers continue to have an inevitable stature. In this story, the author recalls his childhood days and their excitement on seeing the baker. They were enthusiastic to the point that they would run to him as soon as they woke up without even brushing their teeth. Now we will see summary. This lesson begins with how narrators' elders often recall the time when Goa was under the rule of the Portuguese. They talk how the importance of bakers is still maintained in their villages even after the Portuguese have left. They are known as peddlers in Goa. The mixers, molders, and their time tested furnaces continue to serve the people of Goa with their famous bread loaves. It is possible that the original ones may not exist, but their profession is being continued by their sons. The thud of their bamboo stick can still be heard in some parts of the village. The same jingling thud would wake the narrator and his friends during their childhood days, who would go running to him without brushing or washing their mouth properly. It was the maid servant of the house who collected the loaves while children sorted out the bread mangoes for themselves. Bakery products have importance in the culture and traditions of Goa. Bowl or sweet bread is a part of the marriage gifts. Cakes and bolinas or coconut cookies are eaten at every festival, and the lady of the house prepares sandwiches at her daughter's engagement. Earlier bakers wore a unique frock of knee length known as kabai, but during the narrator's childhood days, they wore a shirt and trousers of length slightly shorter than the usual ones. They generally collected their bills at the end of every month. Bakery has continued to be a profitable profession, managing to keep their families joyous and prosperous. I hope you liked it, and keep watching my video. You know my Hindi version videos are also available on my channel, so keep watching. If you have any query, do not forget to comment, give more share, more liking. Thank you so much. Till then, take care.